YouTube, I'm back with the truck. We got the rotors for the front, and I'm gonna just go ahead and give you a little rundown what you'll need. So when you want to get them took off, you want to get a 3/8 Allen head, and it's for those. It's for 2 bolts on the back of the caliper. That one and that one right there. And once you get those out, the caliper comes off, and then it's a bolt behind its cap. I'll put the size of it up in a minute, like right there. You get that bolt off, and then it's a keyway. You pull that keyway out, and then the rotor just slides off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the driver's side I done did. I got the driver's side I already did. So once you take them off, take the 2 bolts out, the caliper just comes out like I said, and then you'll be able to pull the rotor off. Let's see. Just like that. So once you get it off, you'll be able to see how everything works. So you got a bearing right here that spins right here. Then you got one that's on the front. I done took it off. It's right there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you just an indication that the bearings was gone. So you see right here where you got grooves at, it ain't supposed to be like that. That mean it was making metal to metal contact on something, I think on the spindle right there, and it ain't supposed to be like that. And this right here is a seal that holds the bearing down, and you can see it's supposed to look just like that. So therefore, like I say, the bearings was gone. And just a quick layout of what I got right here is the 2 rotors. I got them from O'Reilly's. Well, he got them from O'Reilly's. I don't know the exact prices on them and everything, but these are the bearings and the seal. These are the part numbers that you'll need if you want to pause it. It's an A3, A5, and 4739. And this is for the front of this is for the front right here. It goes right there. And you got that one for the back. Then you got the seal that goes on top that holds it down. That's what that right here was doing. It was supposed to hold the bearing down, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and then I'm gonna show you the proper way of how to grease your bearings. And you're gonna need to get a tub of this right here. It's a bearing grease, and get you some brake cleaner. And you want to use the brake cleaner to clean your rotors. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you right quick. YouTube, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you a quick way of how to go ahead and grease the bearing up real good. A lot of people got different ways how they do it. I'm gonna just show you mine. The main thing is you want to make sure you get it up into the creases real good, and that's the whole main object right there, like in the corners right there. So what I do, I just go around real good like that. And then right here, that's the main area too. You want to make sure you get a lot of grease up in there. And then once you go all the way around into a circle and you get all of that packed in there real good, that's when you want to go ahead and cover the whole thing up, because the bearings, that takes a lot of abuse, and like I say, the speed of the wheel turning and stuff like that, the rotation, it need all it can get to get greased up and working and stuff. Yeah, so you want to keep doing that right there, because what that doing is pushing the grease down into the cracks real good. That's all it's doing. And then if you can see it, all of it is packed in there real good. If you wipe your hand across, you don't see no gaps or nothing like that in there, so that's good. And the same thing on this side too. So this one's pretty good. Move on to the next one. So whenever I do all of these, I'll turn you back on. So then when you finish getting all your bearings greased up real good, you want to go ahead and grab your seal and go ahead and drop it down. You want to make sure it's facing like that. You can see the difference on it. You see the little numbers right there. You want to make sure that's facing up. All right, you two finished it up, so this is it right here. I got the caliper. Yeah, you can sit right there. You gonna say what's up? You gonna say what's up? YouTube. All right, so I finished it up, and I want to just point something out. So whenever you're taking these bolts out, if you can, take that little tube that comes out with the bolt, take that out and put bearing grease on that, and then it keep the caliper going back and forth so it can work with the brakes and stuff. I know you want to do that for the top and the bottom bolt right there. So just the end and result of how everything is. So that's it, man. I'll take a look at it. So just like, share the video, do what you need to do to it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side, but I ain't gonna record it because it's gonna be the same thing. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and we good, man. All right, peace.